Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to transfer file from your phone to your laptop in a few seconds using your USB or your wireless. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to bring out your USB cord. So I'm going to use this particular USB cord right here. What we want to do first thing first is to make sure that we insert this particular cable right here. You have to make sure you insert this. Look at the mouth of the cable right here, and you have to make sure you insert this particular cable into your USB port on your PC. I'm going to simply go ahead and do that right away, just like what you see right here. Now you can see that I have inserted it on the PC. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we connect this one right here. So next thing we want to do is to make sure we connect this and insert it from the charging point of the phone like this. Make sure you insert it this way. So once you insert it, and it's going to receive a signal on your PC. So let me quickly minimize all the information I'm doing right here. The next thing we want to do here is to make sure we send this particular, transfer this from charging to file transfer. For us to do that, we need to simply swipe down right here on our phone. Then we have to make sure we click on charging this device with USB. We click on this, and then this is going to pump up. Next thing we want to do here is to switch to file transfer. So click on file transfer right here. So when you click on file transfer, you are going to receive the signal on your PC. The next thing you want to do here is to make sure you open up. So just like what you see right here, click on it when you receive the signal and you have the information right here. So open device to view file. So simply click on that. Then you have the folders of your phone on your PC right here. Now here you have two internal storage right here, advanced and internal shared storage. So what we want to do is to click on any of the storage right here. So I'm going to click on this one right here. I will simply right click and I'll click on open. So here we go. We have all 5 folders right here. Now let's say we want to move any document from the phone to our PC. Next thing we want to do is to navigate to documents right here. And then we press enter key on our keyboard. Once you press enter key on your keyboard, all the documents you have is going to be shown right here. Next thing we want to do is let's simply go back. Now, let's say we want to copy pictures or videos on our phone to PC. So we move to pictures right here, open up the folder by press enter key on your keyboard. Then all the picture you have is going to be shown right here in the folders. I'm going to select my screenshot folders right here. Click on the screenshot folder. And here you have all the pictures or screenshots in this particular folders right here. Now let's see how we can simply move this into our PC. So for us to do that, we need to simply select on the particular image that you want to copy or transfer from your phone to the PC. Right click on it. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on copy. Then you have to go to your PC. So here, I'm going to paste it in this folder on my PC. I will double click on this folder right here. And here we go. So I will simply right click and I will paste it right here. Particular image here, copy to my PC right here. You can use this method to copy as many as possible files from your phone or copy as many as possible documents. What you need to do is to simply go back to the phone file. So here we go. This is the phone file right here. Then I will simply go back. Now from the internal storage right here. So I will simply go back again. And here I can locate another folder whereby I need to transfer a particular information from. You can transfer music, you can transfer camera roll images, you can transfer movies, you can transfer screen recording or what have you from your phone into your PC. So after you have done copy or transfer everything you want to send from your phone to your PC, next thing you need to do is to simply disconnect the USB wire. And for you to do that, simply remove with care And it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to send stuff from phone to PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.